Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video I will show you how you can manage multiple YouTube monetization channel from your one channel or one Gmail account. See, I have 5 monetization channel. This is the YouTube. I'm going to YouTube to show you the things. This is YouTube and I am going to my channel dashboard. Then I am going to customize channel. No need, actually I want to show from here. Okay, this is the YouTube studio and I'm showing you from here how I am managing multiple channel. 1 2 3 4 5, they all are monetized channel. Okay, they all are monetized on YouTube. See? Look at this. Monetization is on and it already sent for pin verification. Then going to the next channel. So all the channel you can manage from your computer. You can manage like 20-30 channel and giving the access of manager, and I am showing you how you can give the manager access. Go to settings. Here you will get the option permission and give the mail as manager access. Okay, look here, there is option for manager, or you can give the access to editor, viewer, whatever you want. Okay, so it's really very easy and it will not hamper to your channel because you are managing multiple channels from one account, and if you log in separately from the same IP in different browser, it has the possibility to get the channel suspended. So if you want to manage multiple channel, then you can give the access like this. Thank you for your time, and on next video I will show you how to monetize YouTube channel. For getting that information, stay with me and click the subscribe and bell button so that you will get the next update.